Hello friends, and welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to use the terminal for a better calculator on your Mac instead of normal calculator. So, let's start. There are many ways to do calculations on a Mac. For example, you can use a calculator app and do basic calculations on it. You can also use Spotlight and do calculations there. You can also use Siri for that. However, if you do a lot of calculations, you should consider another application, which is Terminal. By using Terminal and command line interface, actually you can do a lot of things. One of the things you can do is run command line applications. One of them is Basic Calculator, or called beat C. So, in the terminal just type beat C and press enter or return. Now you're in a calculator app. Now you can just type any calculation like 1 plus 1. And you will get the result. Also we can try multiplication and by using asterisk, just like this. Or slashes to divide and get the result. Also we can make it more complicated like this. And it also support parentheses, which makes it a little better than a calculator app. Another thing, here in Terminal you have access to all previous calculations and you can see all of them. Another thing you can do here is you can use the command line tool of up arrow to go back to a previous line. So an up arrow goes here and now I can move around in it and edit and come up with a different result. I can go back up as many as I want and use the down arrow to go through all the way to the beginning of the list. Or copy and paste any previous calculation and use it again. Also you can do multiple calculations at the same line. So you can do like this, then a semicolon, and then another thing like this, and another semicolon, and then something like this. And press return. You will get all three answers at once. Here in Terminal also you can use variables. So if we try to type salary equal this, Terminal will save that the salary equal this value. And if you type the variable name, it will retrieve this value. And you can use this variable in any calculation just like this. Not only that, but also Terminal can use some of programming operators, such as increment and decrement operators. For example, we can create a new variable, v equal 1. Then we will use plus plus then v. As we see it increment first. And if we use v then plus plus, it will print old value then increment it. If you're a programmer, Terminal also supports some of programming tools. For example, you can do for loops like this. And put the variable after it like that. So I get the numbers from 1 to 10. Also you can do any calculation to it, just like that. Now if you do a division like this, you will get a number only as a result, without decimals. But don't worry, we will solve it. Just type quit. Then run the BC command again with Option L. Let us try again the division. And we will find that the result now with decimals. And you can set the number of decimals by using scale. For example, scale equal 2. And as we can see now there are 2 decimals. At the end, you can also change the look of Terminal from settings. From Terminal, Settings. Here in Profiles, you will find a lot of terminal looks. You can select one of them. Also, you can create your own look. Just select any of those looks. Click this option. Select Duplicate Profile. Give it a name. I'll name it BC. You can customize it as you want. Also here in Shell. You can give it a command to run it once you open this profile. I'll type BC-L and try it by opening New Shell. New window. Select our new profile. And now it open the terminal and run the command BC-L automatically. Also, you can resize the windows. And you can open a new tab, and do some of calculations here, and another calculations here. That's it. I hope the video was useful for you, and if you like this video, just hit like button and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.